Hello, guys. Good morning, and welcome to our live trading session for today. All right. Hello, guys. Good morning. Welcome to our live trading session for today. So, as usual, we're going to be analyzing the market, and when we get a good opportunity, we're going to be, placing orders together. All right. All right. So, if this is your first time joining us on our live stream, what we do here is I analyze the market and I share free signals when I get a good entry opportunity. Okay. So what you're supposed to do is fund your account, right? Fund your account, fund your real account. This live session is not for demo trading, okay? So you have to fund your account so you can make real money, all right? And there are benefits for funding your account on my live stream, all right? So if you click on that banner where deposit with benefit is written on, uh, all right. So, sorry guys, as I was saying, if you fund on my live stream, you'll be qualified to join my premium group. Okay. So, in the premium group, I give even better signals, intraday signals with take profit and stop losses. And I also give updates. Okay. So, when we are making profit, I tell my premium members to go off the market. All right. And I also give market analysis and market insights. All right. And whenever we have a news event that is about to happen, I update my premium members. So these are the benefits you get to enjoy when you become a premium member. So to become a premium member, all you have to do is fund on this live stream. Okay, you see that banner where deposit with benefit is written on. Just click on it. So if you click on it, it's going to take you to the deposit page. When you get to the deposit page, if you deposit $10 will get you into the premium group for 2 weeks. If you deposit $15 will get you into the premium group for 1 month. And if you deposit up to $200 will get you into the premium group for 1 month. And then you also get the benefit of having a one-on-one session with me, okay, a live private session. So on the session, I will teach you how to become a profitable forex trader, and also share with you my personal trading strategy. All right. All right. So if you've gotten your account ready, let's get into the activity. Yeah. Okay. So for today, I'm gonna be starting with the XAU which is the gold. So I've already made analysis on gold. Um, I made this analysis yesterday, and the market is respecting my analysis. Okay, so you see the market went above this level. Okay, the market went above the level. All right. So right now the market is respecting my previous analysis. Let's say if we can take a buy entry from here, the market has gone above my previous resistance. Okay, the market went above my previous resistance zone, which means the bullish is still much stronger. Okay, the bullish trend is still stronger than the bearish. That is why the market will keep going upside. All right. So here we have a retest, but it's not a complete retest, right? So the market is creating another leg of retest around this zone, right? So this is my next point of interest. I want the market to come down to this level. Okay, I want the market to come down to this level to my point of interest here. And when the market is reversing this way, then I take my buy trade. Okay, this market is going to continue to move to the upside. I'm telling you, the market is going to continue to shoot up. All right. Okay, so this is the 1 hour time frame, and our order still has, a long way to go. Okay, I mean this is the 1 hour, and it's going to take a whole hour for the market to get to this zone. All right. So let's just keep this in mind. We'll come back to check on this later to see if the market has triggered. For now, let's just continue with analysis. Let's make analysis on another instrument. All right. So since we have the crypto instrument here, let's see what is going on with the crypto instruments. Let's see what is going on with the crypto instruments. Okay, here we have BTC USDT, and BTC USDT has also gone above our previous high. Okay, it went above our previous high. And the market is currently making a retest to our point of interest here, where we have a fair value gap, right? So after the long move to the upside, the market, decided to actually play around the bullish side, sorry, the bearish side rather. Okay. So the market decided to move bearish for some times, and that is how we got this leg. Okay, that is how we got this move. Now, what I'm expecting this market to do is, on the 2 hour time frame, we have a fair value gap just right below here, where the market has rejected before. So I'm expecting this market to come down to this level. Okay, if the market is going to continue its uptrend movement, the market will definitely come down to this level, right? So the market is going to do something like this, come back here to the 50% of our fair value gap before it continues to move to the upside. All right. You see? So this is my speculation for the market. This is what I'm expecting the market to do. All right. So right now, that brings us to the current situation of the market. So the current situation of this market right now is suggesting a sell. Yeah. Let's go down to the lower time frame. Let's say 15-30 minutes time frame. Okay, so we are currently on 30 minutes time frame. Let's see if the 30 minutes time frame is going to give us an entry opportunity. All right, so the crypto instruments are very volatile. If we are going to take any opportunity here, we have to be very careful. Okay, because I know some of us here has, um, you know, below 100, below $10, and sometimes if you're not too careful with your order on crypto instruments, you can end up, losing your funds with a wide stop loss. Okay, so you need to be mindful of the stop loss you are using. You don't want to go too far above or far below. Okay, you want to minimize your risk. All right, so what we're going to do here is the opportunity is here already. We have a rejection, we have a doji candle, and the market is printing a bearish candle right now. All right, so let me go to my BTC Dana app. Let me see how much I can risk on this trade. So if let me see if it's a trade that we can jump in. All right, so what's our stop loss here? All right. Okay, so let me call out the stop loss. You can try it out on your um, chart too to see how much you are risking for this trade. Okay, see if it's something you can afford to risk. Okay, so the stop loss is 68120. Okay, so this is the stop loss. Okay, this is the number I'm calling out. So 68120.73. Okay, so with 0.01, our stop loss is over $10. You see what I was saying earlier? So before you place any trade on BTC USDT, you have to be careful. In fact, if you have below $10, if you have $10, all right, if you have $15 or below, I would suggest you stay away from instruments like BTC. Okay, in fact, all the whole crypto instruments, stay away from them. Stay away from crypto instruments. Stay away from indices. Stay away from XAU USD gold. All right. So these instruments are very volatile. They can easily take you out of the market. Okay. So since we are going to be scalping on our live stream, I think for today, I would suggest we do more of currency. Okay. Let's do currency. Let's trade the currency instruments. All right. Just a minute, guys. So for me, I think this is a good opportunity for my premium members. Even though we can't trade it here on our live stream, doesn't mean that I can share it with my premium members. All right. Yeah, I still have my way of minimizing the risk for them. If you want to get the logic and the scope, go and fund your account. Okay, come and join my premium group. To join, all you have to do is fund on my live stream. And how do you do that? You see that banner where the deposit with benefits is written on? Just click on the banner. So once you click on the banner, it's going to take you to the deposit page. So when you are on the deposit page, if you fund $10, $10 will get you into the premium group for 2 weeks. If you fund $15 will get you into the premium group for 1 month. And if you fund up to $200 will get you into the premium group for 1 month. And then, aside the benefit of getting free signals, market report, and market analysis, um, you also get the benefit of having a session with me. All right. So let's say you are a beginner, you don't know anything about forex, you don't know how to make analysis. That session is where I will be able to teach you personally, privately, um, just me and you. All right. So if you fund your account, you have that privilege. You have access directly to me. All right. So I still have other confirmations to make before I share the signal. All right, let's just continue with our session. All right, so here we have AUDCAD, Australian dollar against the Canadian dollars. Let's see what's going on there. Yeah. All right, so this is AUDCAD and we're currently on the 1 hour time frame. We are currently on 1 hour time frame and this looks good. Okay, but here we have a resistance area. Okay, we have a resistance. So let me just give you a little tour about how we come about this resistance. Um, so we have a resistance here because market has previously rejected these zones. You see, we have this first rejection. Aside this, we also have a rejection that has happened here before, earlier before these recent ones. Okay, so we have this rejection, we have this, and we have this rejection also. All right. Okay. And then right now the market is rejecting that same zone. Okay, market is rejecting that same zone, which makes that zone a point of interest. All right, so let's go to our lower time frame. Let's see if we decide we want to place an order here, how much are we going to be risking? All right, so we have our stop loss. Let's see how much we are risking for this trade. So if it's suitable for our account, for our balance, then we'll just proceed and place the order. All right. So this is the stop loss, and as I've said earlier, you can also input this, see how much you are risking for this trade. Okay, AUDCAD. 889 339. Okay, so I think I like this. I think I like this. Okay, guys, let's place trade on a sell trade on AUDCAD. Okay, let's sell AUDCAD. Let's sell AUDCAD. Let me copy out the stop loss for this trade. And the take profit. Okay, so this is the take profit and the stop loss for this trade. All right, let's see how it goes. Yeah. Okay, guys, set your take profit and your stop loss. Let's move on to another pair. All right. I hope everyone has set their take profit and their stop loss. Moving on, let's head on to AUD CHF. Okay, so what's going on AUD CHF? So on the higher time frame, the market is still printing bullish candles. Okay. And the market went above the daily high, but the daily candle hasn't closed yet. So let's go to the lower time frame. Let's go to 1 hour time frame. Let's say if okay, so on the lower time frame, as you can see, there's really no confirmation yet. Okay, there's no confirmation yet. But with the way the market is looking, I have a strong belief the market is going to break above. Okay, so the daily candle is going to close above the previous daily candle, the previous candle. Okay, the candle, the previous high rather. Sorry. So all right. So even if this market is going to sell, it's just going to be for a short period of time. Okay, maybe just look for 50% of fair value gaps here, and then continue its movement to the upside. Okay, so this is not the kind of trade we want to be on. Yeah, let's just move on. Let's continue to make more analysis. All right, so the whole of the AUD pairs seems to be doing the same thing. Okay, let's check the Canadian instruments, Canadian dollar against CHF. Right. Okay, so on the daily candle, we have a long bearish candle. Okay, yeah, a big bullish candle. All right. All right, and we don't have any. Okay, we don't have any resistance area around here. So this is the daily time frame. Okay, so this looks like a break of structure to the downside and a retest. So if that's the case, then the market is definitely going to close below. Okay, and if the market closes below, the market is going to continue to sell for the whole of today. Okay. All right. All right. So let's jump to popular instruments. Okay. I'm not feeling the vibes I'm getting from those other instruments. All right. So let's jump to popular instruments. Let's make analysis from instruments like the euro, pairs. All right. So here we have the euro AUD. Euro AUD. Let's see what's going on the euro AUD instrument. Okay, so we are currently on the 2-hour time frame, and the market hasn't gotten to our point of interest here. All right. So we have a point of interest for euro AUD on the 2-hour time frame. Let's go down to 30 minutes time frame. Let's see how valid the point of interest is. So on the 30 minutes time frame, the market has mitigated the zone. You see, from here to this area, the market came inside the 50%. Yeah. So which means this is already mitigated. I'm not expecting the market to come anywhere around here anymore. If the market comes here, then the market will definitely break below this level. Okay. So what I'm expecting the market to do right now is come to this point where we have this bearish candle. Okay. So this is the 30 minutes time frame. Okay. Now let's go back to our 1 hour time frame. Let's see how valid that point of interest is. All right. So you see the market is currently rejecting the zone I've marked out. Okay. And this market looks good. I will choose this. Okay, so this seems like a good entry for my premium members. Okay, this looks good for my premium members. So let me quickly share this trade with them. If you want to get this, just fund your account on my live stream. Okay, click on that banner where deposit with benefits is written on. So if you click on it, it's going to take you to the deposit page where you can deposit into your account. Okay, and the money you are depositing into your account is going into your trading wallet. Okay, so you still be trading with the money. When you make profit, you make withdrawal. Okay, just like your normal deposits. All right, but depositing on my live stream comes with benefit, as I've said earlier. So you deposit, you get to join my premium group. $10 for 2 weeks, $15 for 1 month, $200 for 1 month, and you also get the benefit of having a one-on-one session with me. Right? So let me quickly share this with my premium members before we proceed. Right. Okay, so that has been settled. Now let's continue with our analysis here. So here we have Euro CAD. Okay, we have Euro CAD on the 1 hour time frame. All right, let's see what's going on here. So here we got liquidity taken out. Okay, we got liquidity taken out here. Okay. Here we've got market. All right, here we've got market breaking structure to the downside. All right. And right here we have another block. All right. We have another break of structure here. Then we've got another one here. Right. All right, so here we have another point of interest. So as you can see here, this level has already been mitigated. Okay, this level has already been mitigated. You see, um, before the bearish move, this candle was previously bullish. Okay, so that's how I was able to come back into this zone, closing the gap between this first candle and the second candle, right, before it finally printed the bearish candle. So right now the market is going to go above this high, right? So this is going to be like a trap zone for traders. Scalpers would want to take trade from here. See guys, I'm giving you guys a spoon. All right, so take note of this in case you want to trade this later. Okay, so scalpers want to take a trade from here, right, setting their take profit around here and their stop loss around here. The market is just going to move a little bit to the downside and then go up to take them out, then move from exactly this zone where we have our next point of interest. Okay, all right, so we have another analysis on Euro CAD. Okay, we have analysis on Euro CAD, but no immediate entry opportunity. Okay, no current entry opportunity. So moving on, let's go to Euro GBP. Right, so this signal was sent to the premium group yesterday and we made profit. Okay, so when the market was here, we took profit before the market reversed. Okay, we took profit here before the market reversed. So you see, this is what I was saying about opportunities yesterday. Once you start making profit, it doesn't matter if you have a take profit on or not. Take profit is to secure your profit in case you are not there to close it yourself. Okay, but if you are watching your trade and you are making profit, make sure you close your profit. Okay, so what I like to do is if I'm risking $1 on a trade and I'm making up to $2, I'll close the trade because I'm already making more than I'm risking. Okay, I'm risking $1 and I'm already making $2. So that's enough profit. Right, so we are currently on the 30 minutes time frame. Let's see what's going on the 30 minutes time frame. So our point of interest for Euro GBP right now is this zone. Okay, this zone. So Euro GBP is going to continue to move to the downside. Okay, so the market is going to continue to move to the downside, but uh, this is where I'm going to be placing my sell from. Okay, so I want this market to make a move back into this block, this point of interest. All right. So the market is currently approaching our point of interest. This is Euro GBP. Okay. So we are currently on the 15 minutes time frame. All right. So the market is currently on our point of interest, and we have um, about 8 minutes to the end of this current candle. Okay. So I want a rejection candle. I want a candle rejection here as our confirmation for a sell entry. Okay. All right. So one of two scenarios will play out here. All right. So this area I've marked out is a point of interest. Then we have another one above it. So the first one is a fair value gap zone, and the second one is another block. All right. So the market can reject any of the zones. So I'm telling you this so you don't feel if the market goes above this level, you don't feel the market, the analysis is invalid. Okay, so even if the market goes above our fair value gap, the analysis is still valid until this level. Okay, but if the market goes above this level, then the analysis becomes invalid. All right, so we have less than 6 minutes to the end of this current candle. Let's see what happens when the candle closes. Okay, so we have less than 5 minutes to the end of the current candle. So the market is currently on the 50% of our fair value gap, and we have less than 3 minutes to the end of this candle. So at the end of 3 minutes, we get to decide if we are placing a sell trade here. All right. And as I've said earlier, we have another point of interest above our fair value gap. Okay. So in case the candle goes above our fair value gap zone, then we also have this level, where the market can reverse from. Right. Okay. We have less than 2 minutes now. So our candle is still printing bullish. Seems the bullish strength is still overtaking the market. All right. Okay, so the market has gone above our 50% right now and is currently approaching our order block. Okay. All right. So if we're going to be using our order block as our entry point, then this high would probably be our stop loss level. Okay. All right. So the candle closed and is still bullish, which means the market is going to approach the next order block, which is this zone. Okay. So guys, you can keep a lookout on this trade. Once the market gets to this order block, okay, when once the market gets here, you can start looking for selling opportunities. All right. So this would be our entry here, our stop loss, and our take profit will be on the recent low. Okay. So you see the market is triggered and right now is printing a bearish candle. But we can't be sure. Okay, we can't be sure until the end of this current candle, and we don't have the time to wait for the candle. All right. So our session is for an hour and it's already 11 a.m. All right. So guys, remember our previous trade on AUDCAD. So once you start making good profit, please make sure uh, take profit and secure your profit. All right. So that will be all for this morning. I'll see you on our next live trading session. Enjoy the rest of your day and bye for now.